Hello everyone, I Ritika Sharma, teacher of Ambi International School, Nayagaon, Kota. So today we are going to start a new topic which is adjectives. See, what is adjective? Adjective are words that add meaning to a noun. Adjective are those words which adds meaning, which describes a noun, which clarifies the noun. For example, clever boy. So boy is noun over here, and boy को clarify what is clarifying the boy a noun. It is the word clever. मतलब means boy को clarify कौन कर रहा है? Clever. The word clever is clarifying the noun boy. Delicious food. Food is what? Now food is noun over here, and what is it describing? Delicious word is describing the word food. Okay, so these kinds of words are called adjective, which describes the noun. Okay, so now we will start with kinds of adjectives. Adjective of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, ordinal adjective, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjective, and last one is possessive adjectives. Okay, so we will start with the adjective of quality. Adjective of quality and adjective of quantity. So let's start with adjective of quality. These tell us about the quality. Kind. Quality means kind of nouns. ये हमें noun की quality मतलब किसके kind के बारे means उसकी kind के बारे में बताते हैं. For example, tall trees covered the hills. Now, what kind of trees are? Trees are tall. Okay, so tall, the word tall is describing the noun. So tall is a adjective of quality because this word telling us about the quality of trees. Okay, so they answer the question, what kind of? For example, what kind of trees covered the hills? Okay, tall trees covered the hills. Okay, moving on, the next adjective is adjective of quantity. These tell us about the uncountable noun. Uncountable noun जिनको हम count नहीं कर सकते, जिन nouns का हम count नहीं कर सकते. For example, butter. For example, water, rice, etc. Okay. For example, there is little sugar in the jar. Sorry, in the jar. There is little sugar in the jar. Now, can we count the sugar? No, we can't count the sugar. So, sugar is uncountable noun. Okay. So, this is adjective of quantity. Okay. There is little sugar in the jar. Little is describing sugar, and little is describing the adjective of quantity. Okay. They answer the question how much. Okay, for example, how much sugar in the jar? There is little sugar in the jar. तो उसमें quantity बताई जाती है. Okay, and adjective of quantity is always upon us uncountable nouns. Okay, so students, let's come to the next adjective, which is adjective of number. These tell us about the number of people or things. For example, Rita bought 3 books. Now, how many books are over here? 3 books. So, these are adjective of number. Okay. Similarly, ordinal adjective. These tell us about the order of things in a series or position. For example, June is the 6th month of the year. Now, जून कहाँ एग्जिस्ट करता है? ईयर में 6th पोजीशन एग्जिस्ट करता है. ओके, सपोज इफ आई से 3 पीपल्स आर ओवर, इफ आई से you got first rank in the whole class, so what is your position? Your position is first. Okay, so the first is called ordinal adjectives. Okay, so kids, before moving on the next adjective, you will have to understand the difference between adjective of quantity and adjectives of number. See, adjective of quantity, it means uncountable noun. adjective of quantity में uncountable noun ही हमेशा describe किए जाते हैं. Okay, for example, Manu has finished all this soup. Now, can we count the soup? No, we can't count the soup. So it is uncountable noun. Okay, adjective of number. countable nouns. It refers to countable nouns. Basically, you will have to focus on the nouns. Okay, you don't need to focus on the words. Okay, words can be similar in the adjective of quantity and adjective of numbers as it mentioned here. Okay, words are similar, but the nouns are different, so you will have to focus on the nouns. Okay, so we can't count, so it is uncountable noun and it is adjective of quantity. Okay, now students, all the students are present today. Students, we can count students, so it is countable noun and it is adjective of number. So you don't need to focus on these words, you have to focus on the nouns. Okay, so that you can understand the difference between adjective of quantity and adjective of number. Now moving on the next adjective, which is demonstrative adjective. Now what is demonstrative adjective? These are used to point out some person or thing. Demonstrative adjective are used to point out, used to indicate a person or a thing. For example, this dress is expensive. For example, I am indicating a book and I am saying that this book is mine. So it is called demonstrative adjective. Okay, now there is a thing to remember. We use this and that for singular noun. Dresses, what? Dresses singular noun over here. That's why we use this word. Okay, we use this and that for singular noun and basically which is close to us. We use this and that for those noun which is close to us. Okay, and next we use these and those for plural noun. For example, if I write over here dresses, these dresses are expensive, so basically we will use the word these over here if I write dresses. Okay, so these and those are used for plural noun and which is further away from us. Okay, we use these and those for the nouns which are further away, जो हमसे दूर होती हैं, हम उनके लिए इनको यूज करते हैं. Okay, moving on to the next adjective, which is interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective means these are used with a noun to ask questions. It is very easy adjective. It is used to ask a question with a noun. For example, whose book is lost? Book is noun over here and we use the word whose. Okay, so that is interrogative adjective. Moving on to the next and last adjective, which is possessive adjective. These are used to show position or belongings. These adjective are used to show position or belongings, मतलब कि अपना जिस पे right होता है. That is, these kind of adjective are used as these kinds of word for like my, mine, his, her. Okay, so these kinds of words are also used in possessive adjective. They answer the question whose. For example, whose is this car? ये कार किसकी है? For this is my car, so car belongs to him. So that's why he is saying this is my car. So my is possessive adjective. Okay, so here's the end of the topic adjective. I hope you all get the chapter, get the topic. Okay, thank you.